Teeny, you got your belly so full you might roll over. Teeny, did you get your belly full? Hi, kitty. Madam Kitty, how are you? There's Valentine. Oh, you know your name? Madam Kitty, Madam Kitty, Madam Kitty. And there's Valentine. Hi, Valentine. You are Madam Kitty. Yep. Hi, Majima. Majima? What you doing? Huh? Leo, what are you doing back there? Leo. Cookie. Hi, Valentine. Up, Cookie. What are you doing, Cookie? No. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. Oh, Teeny, are you trying to go potty? Oh, there you are. There's my Big Mac. Hi, Big Mac. You are the cutest little boy. Oh, did you finally tap out, Majima? Did you tap out? You full, buddy? Huh, Majima? You full? Did you get your belly full? Nope, and Leo's still going. But when you're a puppy and you got a big head, sometimes you fall over in the food. No. What are you doing, Madam Kitty? What are you doing over there? You did? What? Big Mac? Somebody's stealing some of your attention. Yeah. And Valentine. And Madam Kitty. Madam Kitty, where you going? You done? You guys are doing a good job pottying over there. Cookie. Hey, Cookie, what you been up to? Cookie. Cookie. Yup, Big Mac. You're a beautiful boy. Those are some nice teeth you got there. You, Valentine? Baby Leo. Hi, Leo. You all done eating now, honey? Oh. He's done eating. Oh, Teeny's going back for more. You're such a big girl now. Oh, wow. She really is. She caught up. You guys are too cute. You know that? Too cute. Hmm? Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Majima. Big Mac. Ouch. Big Mac, that kind of hurt. And Valentine. And come here, Madam Kitty. There's Madam Kitty. Whoop, you're not Madam Kitty. No, Big Mac. That's my finger. No. Big Mac. Big Mac. Okay, I want to change my name to Matt because everybody thinks I'm so big, and I'm really not that big. It's just my name. Up. Teeny going potty. Teeny girl, what you doing, baby? You gotta go poop. Okay, I'll give you some privacy right now. Oh, let me see. What? What, Valentine? You don't have a Valentine? Oh, that's horrible. What about you? Big Mac, you need a Valentine too, huh? Oh, don't bite me. You can come by, how about you bite a snowman? Wanna bite the snowman? Oop, you guys want the snowman? How about that? He's kind of a dirty snowman now, huh? What? You want that? Get it. Leo, get it. Cookie. Cookie. What are you doing? Oop. Teeny went potty and now she's coming back for more. Ah. Ew. You guys squish some food? I don't know if that's poop or Squish food. Oh, teeny girl. Come here, teeny. Good girl, teeny. All right, say bye for now, everybody. And happy birthday. Today, you guys are 6 weeks old. 2 more weeks and you guys start going home. I'm not ready. All right, beautifuls. I will see you later. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You see Teeny? Hey, baby. Hope you got food all over your face. Bye-bye, babies. Oh, Cookie. Cookie just stole the toy from everyone. Cookie, what are you doing? Oh, no. Cookie, what are you doing in there? Cookie. Oh, no, there's Valentine coming after it. All right. Say bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Leo. Where's Jeannie? Bye, Jeannie. Bye, Jeannie. Bye, Jeannie. He said bye-bye. All right. See you later, guys.